Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm not doing anything like a mask or anything like that exactly, but what I am going to do is I'm going to do a scalp treatment because last night I decided I would re-bleach my hair and in an attempt to get it toned to the right level I felt that looked appropriate. I kind of burned my scalp a little bit, and that was by overdoing it with the peroxide and applying maybe a little too much heat. But I was in a hurry and I wanted the color to be right, so I guess I'm paying for it. So I looked on the internet today and I was trying to figure out what I can do to make my scalp feel better. I didn't want to like rub it with Vaseline or do something weird like that, or put aloe vera on it. I didn't want it to pick up some weird color. So what I decided to do after doing some research was pour a glass of cold milk on my head. So I have not done that yet. I'm going to do it now. You're supposed to use whole milk. It's supposed to be ice cold with ice cubes in it, which I have here. And then apparently you're supposed to pour it on and leave it for 3 minutes and then rinse it. And I'm going to do that because apparently the fats from the milk settle on your scalp and somehow make your scalp feel better and soothes the burn. And the milk, I guess, and the coldness of it just feels relieving. So we're going to give that a try now. So I'm going to get my milk and I'm going to dump it on my head. Okay folks, so here I am. I have my glass of milk. I even have ice cubes in it. And I'm going to dump this over my head for 3 minutes. And when I am done, I will arise with hopefully a more soothed scalp without the sort of burning and tightness. So here we go. I'm going to set a timer. Here we go. I'm going to set a timer. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes.
Okay, 3 minutes counting.
All right. Here we go. On 3, 2, 1, milk pour. Oh, really cold. Oh my God, it's so cold. Oh my God. Ice cubes are falling. It is rather soothing, I have to say. I'm gonna just hang out here with some milk on my head. Time's up. All right, how do we look? Oh my God, wow. Okay, I'm gonna rinse this off with cool water. Okay, so my scalp definitely feels better. That's for sure. Let me readjust this camera. Okay, so yeah, it did feel better. It does feel better. I'm gonna wash it a little bit later, but I'm gonna let the cool water in the milk do what it's supposed to do. I don't know. So yeah, it feels better. Next time I'll be more careful when I bleach my hair, and that's a good word for folks. Be careful when you bleach your hair. Don't burn your scalp. Be patient. Okay, now what I'm going to use is I'm going to use some Joico KPak. It's a reconstructor for hair that really helps when you damage the hell out of your hair. So I'm just going to kind of ball this up and put this in my hair. And then I'm going to rinse it out in like, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. But right now, this is the end of this video. Thank you for joining me. I know it's kind of a strange little journey we took there, little tangent. But I just wanted to say thank you for joining me. Please subscribe and like my videos. That's always an important thing. And take care of yourselves. Have a great weekend.